Hi there, my name is Keith, and welcome to my review of the movie The Jungle Book. The book, made famous years ago by Rudyard Kipling, hits the big screen this weekend, and let me tell you something, this movie is not to be missed. Had the opportunity of seeing it, can't wait to share my thoughts on it with you. Now, of course, it follows the story of a young boy by the name of Mowgli. Mowgli is cared for by a Black Panther by the name of Bagheera, and Bagheera entrusts Mowgli to a pack of wolves. The wolves raise Mowgli until the point that it's time for Mowgli to go out on his own because there's a tiger named Shere Khan that's coming after him. Now, of course, Shere Khan looks at Mowgli and says, yes, he's a man cub now, which, translation, little boy, but one day he's going to grow up and then he's going to be like humans and he's going to try to come and destroy us. So a lot of the movie is Mowgli trying to, fend for himself, trying to be on his own and try to, avoid the tiger. Now, hopefully you have a complete childhood and you're fully aware of this story, but if you're not, you are in for a treat with this movie. So let me talk about all the things that I liked about this movie. First of all, this movie has a great cast. You've got Idris Elba, you've got Ben Kingsley, you've got Christopher Walken, you've got Bill Murray, you've got Lupita Nyong'o, you've got Scarlett Johansson. That's great. But with all due respect to all of those fine actors, they were all in a booth voicing parts. So that, to me, isn't really the impressive part. The impressive part is Mowgli himself, who's played by Neel Sethi. Now, what's impressive is this is Neel Sethi's first acting role. It's also impressive that you think to yourself, even though they look like tigers and they look like bears and they look like wolves, they're not. They're just phenomenal, CGI and effects. So that means that this little boy was in a room basically running and doing all these things with green screens. I call Neel Sethi the 2016 Jacob Tremblay, because to be honest with you, the last time I can remember seeing a performance that was so individualized in the sense of here he is doing it on his own, not facing another actor doing it, was probably Colin Farrell in the movie Phone Booth. Remember that movie Phone Booth from years ago when he's being terrorized and he can't leave the phone booth because there's a sniper? Very similar acting style to that, and I was just completely impressed with the fact that you've got this little boy who's pulling off such an amazing performance. Watching this movie, it's an action-like movie. It's very exciting. It's very thrilling. There are a lot of jumps in the movie. And I thought to myself, is this movie going to be good for kids? Well, fortunately, I didn't have to wait long to get my answer. We're in the movie theater, and all I hear is this kid scream out, "Dad, I want to go home." And I'm thinking, okay, this movie isn't for kids. So after the movie, outside of the theater, I caught up with the dad, and I'm like, so I guess the kids didn't like it, because he had like 7 kids. Like, I don't know, he's like raising a basketball team, but he's like, you know what? The kids actually did like it. He's like, one of the kids started acting up and then said, "Dad, I don't want to go home." So I missed the don't. But the kids were fine with it. And I'm thinking to myself, but I was jumping. So clearly I am not as cool as a 5-year-old kid. Anyways, what is cool is this movie. Very, very exciting, very fast paced, some great dialogue. I just really liked everything about this movie. I saw it in IMAX, and I saw it in 3D IMAX. First of all, 3D works on this movie. The 3D aspect of this movie was great. Usually it's not, but it was. And the IMAX, it was actually filmed in IMAX. So it wasn't one of those movies that says, oh, come and see it, it's IMAX, and then you get to see it, and you're like, this isn't an IMAX film, you just put it on an IMAX screen to jack up the price. No, filmed in IMAX and 3D, so all of that was completely legit. I give this movie an A. I say don't even walk, run to the theater to check it out. I have no doubt it's going to crush the box office this weekend. I thought it was fantastic, really enjoyed it. If you get a chance to see The Jungle Book, I'd love to hear what you think. CFL_fan on Twitter, Facebook.com/WittyWhittier, and WittyWhittier.com. As always, I appreciate you taking the time to check this out. My name is Keith, and as always, I'll see you at the movies.